and we are in front of an interesting crafter concept van. It is actually pretty unique in all the styling. So it's called Kiwi Manufacturer, and it's actually a concept car, pretty unique for its size, with this bed that can slide up and down regarding of how much space you need inside of this garage. And then you have the fully integration of an Thule home store, and inside it's actually really different from standard camper ones, and also the styling of the seats. It's pretty different. And we can check inside the bed and sitting area with actual kitchen and really different style from Kiwi. We shall be going and taking a look around and getting back when we have the opportunity to do so. As you can understand, this is made pretty much as a unique camper. Also, this complete styling is high value with the Volkswagen Crafter unit, and also having another look on that side. Actually, we can understand how this camper looks when it's completely empty. Yep. And then you lay out your specs. And getting back to the camper, actually check again if we have the chance to enter. Check the actual views of this really unique camper van. 10 seconds. Okay. And I will be entering now to check. Okay, so we have now a lot more space to check inside this really unique camper van with the stable kitchen and the bed that goes up there with the domestic climate unit. And here we have the bathroom with the sink. Pretty nice concept. And going outside for a final look.